Yesterday I showed you amazing styles for Midjourney version 4. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into an artwork on Midjourney. Also, I have a challenge for you with my image. So let's get started here. First of all, how do you upload an image to Midjourney at all? Well, when you are in Discord, down here you have this plus sign. Click on that, then click here on upload file and then select the image you want to upload. Now, after you've done that, hit enter so the uploading process actually starts. And when you have that image online, click on that and then also right click on that afterwards when you have that bigger image and search for that copy image link here. Click on that and then you can click in the background. Now down here where the text field is, write /select imagine or type imagine. You get this prompt box, and here with Control V you will post that link into there. Usually I delete that part including the question mark at the end, so this ends with JPEG, and then you can write the prompt. You can try out a lot of different things. I have style suggestions for you that I will show you in a second. Mainly what you want to do here is to define the style, for example low poly, and then I would write --no, and then you write glasses, because I find that often it will create glasses, and after that --v space and then 4, and you can click enter and wait for that render to finish. Now here's the challenge I have for you today. I will give you a link to this image of myself, and you can create versions with Midjourney of my face in any kind of funny way or serious way, whatever you want, with the technique I just showed you. After you have created an image you like, go to midjourney.com and click here on the home button, then scroll through your images and locate the image. That should be an upscale, so I only have one image, and click on that. Now you have this link here. That is very important because it enables me to show your username and also the prompt that you have used and the negative prompt. Next, go to my Google form that I have linked below. You don't need to log into that. I don't want your email address. What I want is your username, the prompt you used for your image, and then of course down here the image link. The username and the prompt are still necessary because some people send me other links, so I can still shout out to you with your name and talk about the prompt that was used. Here are some style ideas that you can use for my images or your images. Now, all of my prompts describe the image a little bit. So all of them say off bald man with beard, --no glasses, -V4. Here's the first style. It's marble bust sculpture. Again, after marble bust sculpture, write off bald man with beard, --no glasses, -V4. This gives a beautiful style, but I want to tell you right now, all of these styles are hit and miss, so you might want to try this multiple times until you get a good looking result. Next, we have funny extreme caricature. I wrote extreme to get the face more bended and more extreme shapes. You can intensify this by making funny faces when you take the picture of yourself or your friends and family. In our next style, we have the diagrammatic drawing. I showed you that yesterday, but you can see it also works with this style here, and it creates really beautiful, interesting results that also had a little bit of that kind of drawing style with pencil for the face. Really beautiful. Next, we have the diagrammatic drawing blueprint version, and that is even cooler with this kind of blueprint style and a kind of landscape schematic in the background. Not sure what that is, but it looks pretty amazing. Next, we have the bubble head figure, and I absolutely love that style and how funny it is with this huge head. You can almost feel how the head is wobbling around. After this, we have the action figure. Now, this is a little bit hard to see. When you zoom in here, though, you can see that the beard is kind of made of plastic, and also you can see from the clothing how this is a thin, cheap material as you would find on an action figure. I think with a bit more work on the prompt, you can get even better results. I'm looking forward for your entries and creative ideas. Leave a like if you enjoyed that video and see you soon. Bye! Oh, you're still here. So this is the end screen. There's other stuff you can watch like this or that. It's really cool. And yeah, I hope I see you soon. Leave a like if you haven't yet. And well, yeah,